Hello friends, Ample Trails welcomes you to the world of mobile attendance application, the smart solution for effortless attendance tracking. Streamlines your attendance management process with user-friendly features, real-time update and seamless integration. This application is totally based on AI integration and includes a unique feature which is face recognition, which marks your attendance with the help of your live photo. This app provides you this feature to minimize the chances of proxies to zero. Another feature which is available in this application is the application also keeps record of your location when it marks your attendance. Your office location can be easily set up by your admin or manager. Now the question is how these two features are helpful. While marking your attendance, app also matches your location with the location set up by your admin. If the location matches, then only you are supposed to mark your attendance. Let's learn step by step how to use our mobile attendance app. You can see an icon labeled attendance which represents our application. After clicking, you can see all the icons inside which you can select according to your needs. For example, you want face attendance, attendance record, change profile, employee schedule, leave, employee document, etc. Then you can choose the menu according to your requirement or need, whichever is suitable for you. After this, a crucial step follows, which is registration. Now the question is, what happens with registration? After registering yourself, you will get your credentials ready, that is login ID and password, that you can share with your employee to get the access. This application is easily available on Play Store and you can download it simply. Now your ID has been generated, you can use this application. Firstly, you need to upload your official image which you can find here, that is change profile. How you can upload your photograph, let me show you. First of all, you have to click on the icon that is change profile. You can see a camera window has opened. You have to click your photograph. Once you capture your photo, you can see an option available here is upload. You can press on it on this upload button and your photo will get uploaded. After uploading image, the very important task is to mark your face attendance, which is the first option, face attendance. How this feature works? In this feature, you won't be getting any button or you won't be getting any option to capture your photograph. There is a simple command that you have to blink your eyes and your photo will automatically get captured for the face attendance. Let's have a demo for the face attendance. First of all, click on the icon face attendance. Blink your eyes. You can see my photo has been here. You can also see face matched written here. This means that my official image has been matched with the photograph clicked by me. Now, how to mark your attendance? Here we can see in, out, office and field. We all know that in an office there are two kind of employees who work in office and who go out of the office for the sales or the marketing purpose. The person who is working in office can select in, office and submit. His or her attendance will be marked automatically. And a person who is going out for the marketing purpose or for the purpose to sell the goods and services to the client, then the person can select in and field and then put submit. The attendance will mark automatically. He or she didn't have to come back to office just for the purpose to mark the attendance. Like I am in office, so I will choose in, office and my submit. My attendance will be marked automatically. The next feature which is available here is attendance record. This feature of the application is very helpful to track our data. To get the confirmation about your attendance, you can simply click on attendance record. After clicking on it, you can see your data along with your location detail, which includes longitude and latitude, which you can search on map as well. You can simply type latitude and longitude on Google Maps separated by comma, or you can track your location with the help of the icon at the right side. You can click on this icon and you will get the location from where you have marked your attendance. Next feature which is available here is employee schedule. This feature is very helpful in defining the task assigned to the employee for a particular Let me show you how this function of this application will help you. When you click on employee schedule, you will see the data appears here, the task assigned to me for a particular day. For 19 December, the installation of biometric machine, and on 22nd December again installation, 23rd of December demo, and 24th of December again installation. If you want to create new work schedule, then you can click on this plus icon at the right side and you can write the detail as per your data, like work date on the date on which you want to assign a task. Like 27, I have to assign a task. I will press OK. The work title, whatever your title is, like your title is a demonstration, you will write demonstration, and for which company you are scheduling the demonstration, you can write the details here, and then after that you have to press submit and your data will get automatically recorded. Next feature is leave, the very important function of this application. The leave request function in this application allows user to submit requests for leave directly through the application. User can specify dates, reason for leave and additional details. Like, let's have a demo how to apply for a leave. First click on leave option. You can see a window appears here. Here you can see single or multiple. Single means if you want to apply for a 1 day leave, and multiple means you want to apply for a more than 1 day leave. Means for several days you want to apply a leave. I want to apply leave for single day, then I will be choosing single. Leave type, which type of leave you want to apply, whether it is PL, LWP, EL or CL. I want to apply for leave without pay, I will choose leave without pay. Date will automatically get entered, and if you want to change the date, you have the calendar option here. You can choose the date according to your requirement, and then you have to press OK. Leave reason, what is the reason for which you are seeking for a request. Then you can write the reason here, and after this you will get an option to apply. Simply press button, apply button, your leave will get recorded. And if you want to track the detail, whether your leave has been applied or not, you can click on this icon. You have to write start date, you have to write end date and simply search. As I have not applied for leave, so there is no record. If you have applied for a leave, your leave request will appear here, and you can also track whether your line manager has approved that leave application or not. The leave features of this application streamlines the leave approval process, providing a convenient and efficient way for employee to communicate their time of needs to the supervisor or the administrator. The next feature in this application is employee document. The employee document functions in a mobile attendance app typically serves as a repository for important employment related documents. Let's have a look how this feature is helpful for us. For example, you are running a transport company and you have hired several drivers for your vehicle. So, for a particular vehicle, you need various documents such as your RC, your pollution, your insurance, and for the driver to ensure the safety, you need a driving license. So, you don't have to carry all such documents on the daily basis. With the help of this feature in the application, you can simply upload the photo of particular document here in the mobile application, and you can carry the documents along with your application as well. Let me show you how to upload a document. For example, I want to upload license. I will write license here. Then there is an option available to click a photograph. Then I will click on this camera button, choose open camera. You can see the camera window has appeared. Now click a picture of the license. The picture has been captured. Now press on this tick icon. You can see your image appears here. You can simply crop the image, crop it. Now you can upload the document by clicking the option upload. your document will get uploaded. And you can also track whether your document has been uploaded or not by simply clicking on this icon at the right side. You can see my license has been uploaded and I can download it whenever I am needing it. Next feature of this application is visit history. Visit history function keeps record of ins and out of a particular employee. Basically, it works as a database for an admin or manager to keep an eye on every employee activity for those who are working in a field. Let me show how. Click on visit history function. You can see a window appears here. Here you can see in and out. In option is for that moment when you entered in a company. For example, I have visited ABC Limited. I will enter in. Client name is ABC Limited. For which purpose I am visiting the company. I have a meeting schedule. So I will write meeting with Mr. Ajay. So I will simply write this and then I will press save. My data will get saved here. And the out function is for the moment when I disperse from the company. I will write out ABC Limited and then detail is meeting done. So meeting done, then I will write and I will simply click on save button. My data has been recorded successfully and I can easily check my data by clicking this icon at the right hand side. You can see December 26, 10:30 am I am out and at 10:30 I was in. From this feature in the application, you can track the time limit a person is giving to a particular client, and you can also track whether the person is visiting that company or not. After visit history, there is a feature that is assign office. Basically, this function is very helpful when we work in an office having different branches. We can switch from one branch to another easily. Let's have a look. Click on assign office function. You can see an option select location. Select a location, you can select the location. For example, I am working in Gurgaon branch and I have to switch to Rohtak branch. Then I will choose Rohtak and will update. My location has been updated and I have to switch back to Gurgaon. Then I will simply clicking on assign office, again select location and then Gurgaon, then update. My location has been changed again. After this, we have a colleague attendance option here. This feature works as a helping hand for your colleague. For example, any of your friend in your office faces network issue or due to any reason he or she is not able to mark his or her attendance. Then you can also help your friend using this function. Let's have a look how you can help your friend in your office in marking the attendance. Click on colleague attendance option. You can see a window appears here. There are two options available. One is name and one is employee ID. In some company, we enter the data by the name of the employee, and in some country, we enter the data by the employee IDs option. Okay, in my company, we have data recorded by the name. So I will click on select employee option. The one of the employee Keshu Jangra. I will choose Keshu and then proceed. You can see a camera window has appeared. And this process is as same as we have in face attendance option. You can see the face has been matched by the system and you can choose in office and press submit. Keshu's attendance has been marked successfully. In this way, you can help your friend or your colleague which are working with you in the office. The next function which is available is face attendance map. This feature is very helpful. The only difference in this feature is while marking your face attendance, you will also get the option of map along with the camera window. Means while marking your attendance, you can pin to your location if your device is not pointing you at the correct location which is assigned by your manager or your admin. Let me show you how. Click on face attendance map. You can see camera option. Blink your eyes face match appear here, and you can also see map option just below this face match option. Okay, you can pin to your location and you can simply press submit, and your attendance will be marked automatically in office, and then submit. Your attendance has been marked successfully. The next function of this application is regularize attendance. You can also regularize your attendance with the help of this application. By clicking on regularize attendance option, you can choose in office, means you can fix your time of attendance. When you enter in office, by clicking on it, date calendar will appear here. You can choose the date and time, like our office timing are 9 o'clock, so I will use 9 o'clock and I will press OK. So it will regularize my attendance to 9 o'clock, and then when I will submit it, my data will get recorded. Next feature available is notification. As we all are using WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram or any other application, whether for educational purpose or daily shopping purpose, we all receive notification from our application. In the same way this application works, your manager or admin can send you notification on any important event that is going to be conducted, or any message which is important can be shared with the help of notification with employees. Next feature is for railway feedback. This application can also be used by the railways for their customers. For example, any of the railway customer want to give feedback for the services they have used from railway, they can submit their feedback here in this option. Next function is for the admin, that is remarks for attendance. The admin can put remark for the particular employee for a particular date. Like he or she will select the location, Gurgaon location, employee, any of the employee name, then remark type, which type of remark he is selecting. He can select the remark, or he or she can enter the remark type and select the date. For the particular date he or she was trying to put the remark, then update the remark, attendance will get uploaded. Next is the function features which are available for the school management. If school wants to use this application, then they can also opt in for this application. Like we have an option for teacher attendance and the school attendance as well. They can use this application for marking their teacher attendance. They can use this application for student attendance as well. We have seen how this application is helpful for us in marking the attendance and keeping our database ready. So let's say goodbye to manual record keeping and embrace the efficiency of our app. Let's make attendance management a breeze. Thank you.